Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation that you see right here from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you guys have one of those, if you guys need to check where the intake air temperature fuses are located. Okay, if you have problems with intake air temperature sensor not working, always check these two fuses first. We'll explain how to find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission. We show you how to do practically almost anything, guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, on Toyota Camry, guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business, guys, because otherwise, if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing, guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses, guys, okay? You have different kinds of relays. You have these special fuses, by the way, that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So the intake air temperature sensor fuses, guys, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this 2017 Toyota Camry, guys, right here. Now, you guys have two different fuse boxes in this car, and today we will be working just one. That's the main fuse box under the hood. Open the hood, guys. The main engine fuse box is located on the right side facing the engine, right here under this cover. Open that cover and you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one here. Before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here now, what we have specifically, okay, for the intake air temperature sensor, we need to check up to 2 fuses. If you have problems with that sensor, always check the fuses first before dropping money on a new sensor. The first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 28. This is that 30 amp fuse, which is super important, guys. Check that fuse first. Then from here you go 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Fuse number 33, that 20 amp fuse here will need to be checked as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.